Good morning students. Today I am going to teach 7th math second chapter fractions and decimals, continuation of the previous video. So today I will teach how to compare two fractions, means if they gave two fractions, and how to say that which is greater and which is smaller, how to identify which is greater. Okay, how to identify which is greater and which is smaller. For example, if they have given two fractions, 3 by 4 and 6 by 5, like this. In these two fractions, how will you say which is greater, which is smaller, or some other? If you take 1 by 2 and 3 by 2, like this and all. So there are some rules to check which is greater or smaller. So first rule, if the denominator of the given fractions is same, number with greater numerator is greater. So what that means is, you have to look at the denominator. For example, I'll take one example, 3 by 5. Denominator, if the denominator of the given fraction is same, so denominator should be same, 3 by 5 and 6 by 5. See, in these two in these two fractions, denominators are same, right? 5. If you have denominator same, so when they have given two fractions, you have to see which if the denominator is same, then you have to see in the numerator which is the greater number, 3 or 6. 6 is the greater number, no? So 6 by 5 becomes the greater fraction. So here 3 by 5 is smaller than the 6 by 5. This you know, I think. Smaller greater symbol, crocodile symbol. Crocodile's open mouth indicates greater, crocodile's closed mouth indicates smaller, right? So this is the first rule. In the first rule, you will check the denominator. If the denominator is same, you have to see the numerator. In the numerator, which is the greater number, that becomes the greater fraction. Second rule, if the numerator of the given fractions is same, number with smaller denominator is greater. So what the second rule says is, if you have same numbers in the numerator, so here same numbers in the denominator, right? Here let me explain with one example. Okay, these are the two fractions, 3 by 6 and 3 by 10. Here numerator same. You all know which is numerator, which is denominator, right? The up one is numerator, the down one is denominator. D indicates D for down and D for denominator. Remember that. So here numerator is same. So if you have numerator same, then you have to look at the denominator. In this, which will be the smaller number, no? That becomes the greater denominator. It's like reverse. Smallest number becomes the greater fraction. So here 6 and 10, 6 is the smaller, right? So this fraction becomes the greater fraction. So what will you write? 3 by 6 is greater than 3 by 10. Understood? If they have given any fraction, you have to look which is the same. Okay. So if numerator is same, you have to check the denominator, which is small, that becomes the greater. From these two rules, what will you understand? Whenever if you are given with the two fractions to find out which is greater, that time you have to check. That time what you have to check? You have to check which is same. If the denominator in the fractions denominator same means, you have to look at the numerator, which is greater, that only becomes the greater. But if it is numerator is same, that time you have to look at the denominator. In that denominator small becomes the greater. Here it becomes reverse. Here the greater numerator becomes only greater fraction. But in the second rule, smaller denominator, with the smaller denominator becomes the greater fraction. So what if you don't, if the both numerator and denominator is not same? For example, if they have given like this of two fractions, so if they have given fraction, what you have to first thing you have to see which you have to see which is same, numerator or denominator. Here check, numerator is also not same, denominator is also not same. If both are not same, what you have to do in this case? What you have to do is you should make denominator same. How will you make denominator same? Take the LCM of these two. 2 and 4. You have to take the LCM of 2 and 4. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Again 2. So 2 1s. So what is the LCM? LCM is 2 2s are 2 2s are 4. So 4 becomes the LCM. 4 is the LCM, right? So first you will write 4. For both of them you will write 4. So you see the actual fraction. Here denominator is 2. Here 4 we got. That is the LCM we have written. 2 how much the 4? 2 2s are, right? That 2 you have to multiply it to numerator. Okay. So how much it becomes? 7 2s are 14. So the fraction becomes 14 by 4. Here 4. Here also 4. 4 how much the 4? 4 1s are. So 1 you have to multiply here. 9 1s are 9. So you got two fraction, 14 by 4 and 9 by 4. Now you see, check, denominators are same. If the denominators are same, what you have to do? You have to look at the numerator, which is greater. That only becomes the greater fraction. Here in the numerator, denominator same. Numerator 14 is the greater, right? In 9 and 14, 14 is the greater. So this fraction becomes the greater. 14 by 4 is greater than 9 by 4. I hope you all have understood these rules. So if they have given two fractions, first thing you have to do is you have to check which is same. If denominator is same, you use the rule 1. If numerator is same, use the rule 2. If both numerator and denominator is not same, then what you have to do? Same like this. You have to make the denominator same and then apply the rule and find out. Now let us solve one problem. Which is greater, 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 or 3 by 5 of 5 by 8? So how will we write? First we'll write it, then we'll check. So 2 by 7 of means what I said, it is multiplication there. 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 or 3 by 5 of means multiplication 5 by 8. So they have given two these things. You have to say which is greater. First what we'll do? First we'll simplify it to one fraction. There are two fractions is there. First we'll simplify it. Whether we can divide this? No divisible numbers, right? So first we'll multiply it. 3 2s are 6. 7 4s are 28. Or here we can divide these two, right? So what is the number? 3. Remaining is 3 by 8. Again, this we can divide it, right? Both are divisible by 2. So 2 3s are 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So the fractions become 3 by 14 and here 3 by 8. This is 3 by. Now see, numerators are same. So numerator same means you have to look at the denominator. Which is smaller, that becomes the greater. So here 3 by 8 is the smaller denominator. So this becomes the greater. So what we can say? Therefore 3 by 14 is smaller than 3 by 8. Or what we can say? Now they have asked greater only, so we'll write greater symbol, greater number only first. So that is 3 by 8 is greater than 3 by 14. What is the actual one? 3 by 8 is this, right? This, which is that question they have given. 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. So thus 3 by 5 of 5 by 8 is greater. Understood? Students, take down some homework problems. Which is greater? You have to say which is greater. 2 by 3 or 4 by 3. Second one, 4 by 5 or 4 by 9. Third one, 1 by 2 of 6 by 7 or 2 by 3 of 3 by 7. So solve these questions in your homework book. Thank you.